Hey guys, another quick video on how to change the battery in a Go Control sensor for your window or your door, that Z-Wave or Z-Wave Plus. They're also made by Nortek and a couple other companies generically, but yeah, pretty easy to do. And let's take a look. So on this window sensor here, I got the magnet part outside here, and there's a little screw there. And the zone where the magnet should be is, you see this tab here and this tab, where is it? Here. It just has to be in between that or it won't light up. And how you can see this, if I zoom out, you should see this thing turn to red when you open it and close it. And it should go to red, but you see mine's not going to red. It's because it's, well, the first time it didn't. That time it did. But anyhow, we've been getting notification that the battery has been going in this thing. So we are going to swap it out. It's been about a year. And yeah. So this is the battery that I'm using. And they do actually make ones on Amazon that you can get that have a little USB plug in here, so you can charge them with USB, so you don't always have to chuck them and fill up a landfill. Now, since this guy has two-way tape on it, you can also install them with screws, but all I have to do really is leave it on the two-way tape and unscrew it and pop it off. Of course, I go the wrong way. Let's try the charm. So this cool thing is a tamper, kind of tamper notifier. So if you take it off, it's going to flash like that. It's because the switch, let me just zoom out here. It's because the switch in there, that guy right there, is no longer being pressed by the thing that is in, like, right there at the top. And it's kind of thinking like, oh, there's there's, you know, someone trying to break in and they're like ripping these things off. So it'll send you a notification. So yeah, that's the old battery and the new one. And then you just put it back in and screw it in. And they kind of just snap in. And it'll take it a moment to calm the F down from the red alarm, but don't think you put it in wrong or anything. Now these tiny screws are buggers, so make sure you have like one of these that have magnetic pickup, so you can kind of just dangle it in there all crazy like. All right, so go ahead and test it out. Yep, good to go. See if it opens. Perfect. And good to go. Now I have noticed sometimes it registers a little weird for windows and doors. If you do something like this, even though it went blink blink, it might still register as open. So when you have these, a good tip is like, if you ever have a front door or something, just make sure you don't open and close it too quickly, or then, you know, if you have any notifications that say, oh, this is open too long, or you left this open, then they'll go off. Thanks guys, take care.